Wow, this is so pretty. Let's make Easter brioche bread with me. The juiciest brioche you'll ever try. It has a lot of flavor and a lot of butter. To your mixing bowl, add all your ingredients, and it's best to add them in this order. And I'm sorry, for this recipe, you will need a stand mixer because there's no way you can knead this kind of dough by hand. It's gonna be wet and sticky. And before you message me asking if you should add more flour, set a timer and make sure you knead the dough for at least 15 minutes. The dough should be smooth, shiny, super stretchy, and it shouldn't be sticking to your hands. Cover and wait until it doubles in size. To add more flavor, we're going to infuse our raisins in Earl Grey tea. We're going to let them sit in boiling water for 1 hour and then drain all the water and dry them with paper towel until they're dry completely. Add the raisins to the dough and mix just until they're mixed in for like 30 seconds. Cover and let the dough proof until it doubles in size. Brush melted butter on the molds and on your working surface. The dough is going to rise about 4 times in the mold, so I'm splitting my dough into 3. Stretch the dough, fold the opposite sides toward the center, and then roll it over itself. Tuck the edges and roll it in this kind of circular motions to seal it. Cover and wait until they grow at least 2-3 times. This is very important. The smell is amazing. Okay, for our icing, we're going to add 2 egg whites, sugar, and 2 teaspoons of gelatin. We're going to use the double boiler method to melt the sugar completely. You should feel no sugar crystals. Mix for a few minutes until it looks white and gets thicker. I'm going to let the brioche cool a little bit and then decorate it with icing while it's still slightly warm. Finish it off with some fresh flowers. Ta-da! I'm wishing you all a happy Easter.